Good morning, you guys. Welcome to The Way Away. I am Josh, and today we are moving from Tepic, Mexico to live in Puerto Vallarta. The first part of this video's audio is missing, so here I am doing a voiceover. Isn't that fun? Okay, but don't worry, there is audio later on, so stick around and enjoy the episode. Oh, the sun is coming up, hon. It's, what time is it now?
Like 6:45.
We got up pretty early, so our friends are headed to Puerto Vallarta, and we decided to hitch a ride with them.
Worked out great.
Yeah, I mean, we're leaving really early. It takes, a couple hours to get there, and we'll arrive maybe an hour before we can check in, but we'll probably find a coffee shop or something. Yeah, so I'm not sure how much we'll film on the drive there, but...
sugarcane fields and what?
And jungle, bushes looking things.
The whole time. And Ashley going like this.
And Ashley drooling. Our friends dropped us off in Puerto Vallarta. It was like 11 a.m., about an hour too early to actually check into our apartment. So we went and got some breakfast at a place down the street that the lady recommended. And she actually saw us there and dropped the keys off for us. Good morning. I wanted to give you guys a quick little apartment tour. So I'm using the GoPro because obviously it's a little bit smaller than the wide angle lens on our normal camera, but you can see this is our living room. Got a nice big sectional here with a tube TV from the 1995s. That's where Ashley's been doing all her work. This is my desk here at the island. I've got a box set up with my computer on it. That way I can stand while working because my back is killing me in all these chairs and tables here. This is our kitchen. Nice, good size overall. We got actual burners. We got a coffee maker. We have a little juicer. A whole fridge. And then into the bedroom here. We got ourselves another TV with cable. Not that we ever use that. Nice fan. Fan that I can't figure out how to make it to work. And then our bed here. Nice. We got ourselves a cool set of dressers. And then if you go into the bathroom, it's really not too bad. Nice full-size sink, a little vanity mirror, toilets, stand up. Whoa, I haven't even been in here yet. Nice shower. It's actually a good size. I'm liking it.
I love my new little apartment. I can't wait to go to the store and get a candle to make it smell really good and some flowers. There's a little nook right there in this bathroom, perfect for flowers.
So your mission is to get flowers and a candle.
Make it homey.
Okay. Well, I know I need water and food.
Well, yeah, we need food, and I have a whole list of things that we need, like dish soap and sponges. We gotta make this little apartment a home.
Okay, so is that our mission right now?
Yeah, let's do it. Safety first.
It takes 3 locks to get in and out of our house. We still haven't figured out which is which.
Is this a different key?
Yeah, that one I didn't do. That's nothing.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, safe.
We're good.
Except if someone climbs through a window. Oh, I have to use the key too?
Yeah, we're locked in. You gotta unlock us out.
If there was an emergency, we would be stuck.
I know, when we were in Europe, I thought it was so strange. It required a key to get yourself out of most buildings. I thought that was so weird.
Okay.
And we did it! Alright.
Now we have to relock it.
Yep. It's a bit of a process.
Get used to it. And we know our stuff's safe.
Yeah, safety first. Alright, now where's this place you gotta go?
Well, the grocery store is up the way, but are you hungry? Do you want to eat first?
That isn't a bad idea.
I think maybe there's a cute place on the main street that I saw that we drove past. We don't know where anything is. We have yet to explore. But I did see with my eyes a place that maybe we could eat at.
Okay. Well, let's try it. This is a nice little setup.
Yeah, the sun's going down. It's so beautiful. There are a bunch of people here for breakfast, so I don't know if they have good dinners.
Well, I mean, I worry more about price.
I don't know any of that.
Well, let's go look at the prices. All right, moving on. Those prices were up there.
Like, yeah, $10 for a meal.
When
we can find cheaper, but we are in Puerto Vallarta, so who knows?
Yeah, when we know that we can get a meal here in Puerto Vallarta for $3, it's hard to spend $10.
Yeah, that's true, but we'd have to walk all the way down to the pizza place.
Well.
Actually, that was happy hour, so.
All right, we decided to go to the grocery store first because we figured we'd find someplace to eat along the way. And, well, we didn't. No, we didn't.
I didn't think there was anything down here, but it's okay. Maybe we'll find something and cook it at home.
Yeah, that could work too. Do you have time to cook anything? You still gotta edit, and then I gotta edit, and oh, I don't know.
We're not carrying our stuff around.
That's true.
Girl deodorant.
Deodorant, shampoos, all the above. So what we're seeing is it looks like it's about $1.50 to $2 for the cheap shampoo.
Yeah, so we're gonna go with cheap shampoo.
Why not?
Except now I want conditioner. I think this is conditioner. Toilet paper is a necessity and they only gave us one roll. Josh thinks this is enough for a month. I don't believe it.
No, I didn't say it's enough for a month. I said we don't need to carry a 12-pack home.
But isn't it cheaper if you get multiple?
Maybe, but it's not easier to carry. Remember, we're on our feet, Grill.
Put it in your armpit.
Now, because of our decision, or not decision, because of our mistake of not actually eating before we get here, we're both a little tired and cranky. So, not only that, we got up at 6:30 a.m., took a nap in a strange place. I left something at the place. I also had like, emergency work. Our footage from yesterday didn't record audio, and now we realize that we can't actually carry much of this back. So, please excuse us if we're a little bit cranky. We're figuring stuff out.
Cranky.
Ashley just declared that
I
she's...
also made a list of grocery things to get, and Josh is nixing half of them.
I said we don't need perfume spray for the bathroom.
I don't want to smell his poop.
Is that half of the items on your list?
Multiple more other ones that you said no to.
IRLs, guys. This is real life-ish, okay? This is behind the scenes. Josh and Ashley fighting 2017.
In the basket.
Nice. Did you need that?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Maybe I need these.
Do you need them because they're cute, or do you need them because you need them?
Well, I need a scrubby, and why not get the cute scrubby?
All right. $7.50. That's not bad at all.
$7.50? No, 21.
Oh, 21?
$1.
Still not bad.
Need some bread.
Yeah, we decided to do it quick and easy tonight because we're both getting hangry. So we're gonna get some bread and some soup, and we'll just share that for the night so we don't have to wander and try and find a decent price for dinner.
We have a lot of work to do.
And we do. We have a lot of work that needs to be done tonight. So this is like food priority number one here.
Alright, so we have a Mexico haul for you. We are in an Airbnb, and actually it comes with a lot of things like silverware, plates, bowls, but when we got here, figured out that there are a few more things we needed. To start off, we got shampoo because we could travel with small ones and we're actually out, so for the month we need shampoo, soap to wash dishes, I got lotion, scrubbies for the sink, didn't come with any scrubbies, so I got 2 of those, extra toilet paper because all we have is 1 little roll for the whole month, something to clean with, I'm out of deodorant and it's freaking hot here. Here in Mexico you get huge jugs of water, and so we got this for easy pour as well as infusion with fruit, and then some actual little Tupperwares to put different fruit in and our leftovers so we can put them in the fridge. There is no trash can here, which is so strange, so for $1 we got this little trash can and just are using the bags that we got from the grocery store inside, which makes it cheap. We got this for all our fruits and veggies that you can't eat right away, like with the skin on it, so it's supposed to take away 99% of the germs, so we're going to use this quite often.
It's important because all fruits and vegetables here in Mexico need to be like bleached basically.
It's just smart to do it and make sure that everything's not germy. We have 1 knife here, and it's a bread knife, so we, for $5 I think, got a knife. We got some chips to put in our soup tonight. We decided to eat in because I didn't want to search around for a restaurant because I'm starving and cranky and it's after 8 p.m. We got this large one because I want to get a blender to make smoothies, and I can cut up a bunch of fruit, put it in, and then have it ready in the morning, which would be perfect. These Josh really loves. They're a Mexican treat.
I don't know the official name, but what we were told from our friends was that they're called churritos.
Churritos, little churro crunchy snacks, and you pretty much could eat the whole bag and not even know it.
Yeah. And I'm gonna go with they're good for you too.
Honey, yogurt, and granola for breakfast. pretty good prices on these things. And then we got some milk and tea for me. And tonight we are having soup, minestrone soup that comes in the bag like this. And I have some vegetables in the sink that are marinating in their little detoxifying juices.
Okay. So we got pretty much everything we need for just the basics, and enough for like maybe 3-4 meals total, and that was about 40-45 max.
So tomorrow we need to get some more food, like fruits and vegetables, and then in the morning we're gonna get up and learn about our new city by going on a walking tour. I love walking tours, and I'm super excited to learn about the place that we are and kind of orient ourselves, because we really have no clue where anything is. I hope we encouraged you to get out today. Today was kind of a blunder day. This morning our microphone wasn't working and we had to scratch a bunch of footage, which was really sad, and then we just had a cranky rest of the day. So hopefully tomorrow will be a much better day. Sunshine ahead. So we'll see you in the next video. Adios.